How to add hashtags on Pinterest. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. Here you will find quick and easy tutorial videos on diverse range of topics. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add hashtags on Pinterest. For that, open your Pinterest app. If you want to add hashtags on your previous pins and help to reach your pins to the interested people, you can always modify it in the description of your pins. For that, go to the profile icon, select pins here and select created by you. If you tap and hold this pin, options will pop up. Slide your finger to that pencil icon. It will take you to this page. Here, click on add the details and add your hashtags here. Once you are done, below you will see the save option. Click on it and you're all done. Now to check it, click on that pin, scroll down and you will see the hashtag that you have just added. So this is how it is done. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications for more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.